Hey and welcome to Beauty for the Win. I'm going to be showing you guys the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep Matte Bronzer. So the smell of this is supposed to be chocolate. When I first smelled this, I was obsessed. It smells just like hot chocolate. It just smells so good. So it isn't an orange color, which is nice, and I'm actually wearing it right now on both of my cheeks and on my nose. All in all, I would recommend this bronzer. It smells, not only does it smell really good, but the application is really easy and you don't need a whole lot. Like a little bit on the brush definitely goes a long way. I do have a fair amount of this on right now and I really didn't use that much to get this application. I have tried the Too Faced Peach collection and I'm not the biggest fan. Like, it's not for me. Even the smell isn't really that appealing, but the chocolate is just wonderful. Like, it really does smell like chocolate. Also, a really good question here is, would you prefer the chocolate over the peach? So I'd love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys soon.